everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating captivating outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Do you dream of a lush, beautiful backyard, but the thought of spending every weekend weeding and watering makes you want to stay inside? Well, you are in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of the low-maintenance backyard garden. Get ready to discover 10 stunning, practical, and easy garden designs that will transform your outdoor space into a sanctuary, not a chore. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the inspiration and know how to create your own hands-off paradise. Let's get started. So, what exactly do we mean by a low-maintenance backyard garden? Simply put, it's an outdoor space designed to require minimal ongoing effort. Less watering, less weeding, less pruning, and less fuss. This isn't about neglecting your garden. It's about smart design. It involves selecting durable, resilient materials, choosing slow-growing or native plants that thrive in your climate, and using hardscaping elements like patios, decks, and gravel to reduce lawn area. The goal is to maximize your enjoyment of the space while minimizing the time and energy you spend maintaining it. It's gardening smarter, not harder. The benefits of simplifying your garden are huge. First, the most obvious, more free time. Imagine having your weekends back to relax, entertain, or just enjoy your space instead of constantly working in it. Second, reduced costs. Choosing drought-tolerant and native plants often means lower water bills and less need for expensive fertilizers or pesticides. Third, increased sustainability. Many low-maintenance principles, like using drought-resistant plants and reducing water usage, are naturally eco-friendly. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, less stress. A low-maintenance garden is designed for relaxation, giving you a calm, beautiful retreat that supports your lifestyle rather than demands your constant attention. It's all about creating an oasis of calm. Now for the fun part, making it beautiful. A low-maintenance garden doesn't mean sacrificing style. In fact, the principles of simplicity and clean lines often lead to a more sophisticated look. Start with hardscaping. Use durable materials like concrete pavers, sleek decking, or natural stone for large patio areas. This provides a stunning, clean backdrop for your design and eliminates high-maintenance grass. Next, define zones. Use furniture and permanent structures to clearly separate areas for dining, lounging, or cooking. Look at how a modern pergola or a built-in bench creates instant structure. Built-in seating, like the gorgeous example in Image 3, is incredibly low maintenance and provides a clean, permanent look. For planting, use raised beds or planters with clean, modern lines. This not only looks chic but keeps plants contained and makes weeding effortless. Finally, incorporate art and lighting. Think sculptural planters, minimalist benches, and integrated LED lighting to add beauty and ambience without needing any upkeep. To truly achieve that low-maintenance dream, here are some must-have items. First, durable composite or hardwood decking, for minimal maintenance and a long lifespan. Second, artificial turf or synthetic grass, a beautiful, perpetually green lawn with no mowing or watering. Third, gravel, slate chips, or smooth river rocks, excellent, permeable ground cover that suppresses weeds. Fourth, built-in concrete or wood seating, permanent, weather-resistant, and stylish. Fifth, automatic drip irrigation system, to ensure efficient, consistent watering only when needed. Sixth, weather-resistant outdoor furniture, materials like wicker, aluminum, or treated wood that can withstand the elements. Seventh, planters and containers, allows for contained planting and easy seasonal changes. Eighth, slow-growing, drought-tolerant plants, such as succulents, ornamental grasses, hostas, or boxwood. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 low-maintenance backyard garden ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The Urban Retreat, minimalist patio with vertical dark fencing. This design perfectly balances modern aesthetics with ease of care. The rich, natural wood decking provides a warm, clean foundation for the main seating area. Dark painted vertical fencing serves as a dramatic, contemporary backdrop, enhancing privacy. Low-maintenance gravel borders the lush strip of lawn, which is punctuated by sleek, contrasting stepping stones. A visually interesting pathway that minimizes the turf area, drastically reducing mowing time. The large, modern planters and egg chair complete the look, creating a cozy, low-effort urban sanctuary. 2. Xeriscape-inspired patio with contrasting stone mulch. This garden embraces the concept of xeriscaping, landscaping that reduces or eliminates the need for irrigation. The geometric layout uses a patchwork of light gray pavers, creating sharp, modern angles. These are contrasted beautifully with large areas of white river rock and dark gray slate chips, eliminating the need for high-maintenance planting beds. Simple, potted, drought-tolerant trees add vertical interest without demanding much attention. A simple dark stone bench and a sculptural element serve as focal points in this stylish rock and paver design. 3. Contemporary courtyard with built-in seating and slatted wood. This sophisticated design uses clean lines and built-in elements for a virtually maintenance-free structure. The stunning, continuous horizontal with slatted fencing and wall cladding provide immense visual warmth and privacy. A custom-built L-shaped wooden bench is integrated seamlessly into the raised planter walls, offering ample permanent seating that requires no upkeep other than an occasional wipe down. The small, formally pruned topiaries and ground cover in the raised beds are easy to manage and provide a structured, elegant green contrast to the warm wood and cool gray walls. 4. Defined family yard with raised patio and play area. An excellent example of zoning a family backyard for low-maintenance living. A large raised patio area, paved in dark slate, clearly defines the outdoor dining space, keeping furniture stable and clean. The patio is framed by robust wooden raised planter boxes, minimizing the need for large-scale gardening, while providing a backdrop of easy-to-care-for plants. The main lawn is edged by simple stepping stones, controlling wear and tear, and the surrounding borders are mulched with gravel and bark to suppress weeds and maintain a tidy look with minimal effort. 5. Modern gray deck with U-shaped composite bench. The ultimate in modern, low-maintenance living. This space is almost entirely hardscape. The use of durable composite decking in a stylish gray hue means no staining, sealing, or splinters, just sweeping. The stunning U-shaped built-in seating is also constructed from composite materials, offering enormous seating capacity and a clean, minimalist design that needs zero upkeep. The small, square planter boxes integrated into the deck are perfect for containing a few feature plants, making gardening simple and localized. 6. Tiered garden with natural wood raised flower beds. This lovely design showcases how to add lush planting while keeping maintenance low. The main seating area is on a gray painted deck. The yard is divided by chunky, tiered wooden raised beds, which are easier to work in and keep soil and plants contained. A deep layer of dark mulch and gravel next to the deck suppresses weeds beautifully. By concentrating the planting in these structured beds and using permeable gravel in the pathway, the need for widespread weeding is drastically reduced, giving the garden a beautiful, rustic, yet managed feel. 7. Luxury outdoor room with bluestone pavers and rattan furniture. This design achieves a luxurious look with minimal fuss by relying on high-quality hardscaping. A large area of sophisticated bluestone pavers covers the entire entertaining space, creating a beautiful, expansive, and stable surface that only requires occasional sweeping. The planting is contained in simple geometric hedges and large feature pots, making care easy and localized. The focus is on high-quality, weather-resistant outdoor furniture and a fire pit, turning the patio into a comfortable, stylish outdoor room that practically runs itself. 8. Outdoor kitchen, dining, and pergola lounge with stone paving. A perfect example of maximizing a space while minimizing effort. The entire area is paved in large, smooth stone tiles, creating a cohesive, low-maintenance floor across all zones. The stylish, weather-resistant outdoor bar and a defined dining area require no ground care. A stunning pergola-covered lounge area with curtains adds elegance and shade without needing any constant upkeep. Planting is relegated to simple, mulched borders and contained planters, ensuring the focus remains on relaxation and entertainment, not gardening chores. 9. Horizontal slatted fence with perennial and decking integration. This garden uses a beautiful mix of warm wood and lush greenery. The horizontal slatted wood fence provides a contemporary, clean backdrop. The ground is covered in durable wood decking and large, pale paving slabs, reducing the lawn area to zero. A large, naturalistic perennial border is allowed to grow freely, using robust, self-sufficient plants that require minimal pruning. By choosing tough perennials and ground cover, this garden achieves a high-impact, natural look that requires far less tending than a formal lawn or annual flower beds. 10. Contemporary patio with dark slate and minimalist plantings. This extremely low-maintenance design uses dramatic, large dark slate pavers to create a stunning reflective surface. The planting is minimal and highly structured. 3 simple, beautiful topiary trees and a contained white-rendered raised planter with bamboo provide clear boundaries and visual interest. The use of a smooth, custom-built corner bench adds functional, permanent seating. With almost the entire space covered in hardscaping and the planting highly controlled, maintenance is reduced to virtually zero, offering a clean, modern, and restful retreat. #11. Compact urban escape with tiled patio and built-in bench. This design is a masterclass in maximizing a small space with minimal maintenance. The patio is anchored by eye-catching geometric tiles, surrounded by large, easy-to-clean pavers. This hardscaping dramatically reduces yard work. The custom built-in bench and surrounding rendered planters create structure and permanent seating. The planting is cleverly contained, using hardy, silvery-leaved plants like heuchera and a tall yucca, which provide lush texture but require very little care. The slat fencing and string lights complete the sophisticated, low-effort outdoor room. 12. Pollinator-friendly garden of self-sufficient perennials. For those who love a lush, cottage garden look without the constant work, this is the answer. The key here is smart plant selection. This garden relies on robust perennials like lavender, daylilies, and hebe that, once established, are mostly self-sufficient and naturally resist pests and diseases. They offer high-impact color and texture and often self-seed or spread gently, eliminating the need to replant annually. By letting the plants grow in natural drifts and covering the soil with thick ground cover, weeding is naturally suppressed. 13. White-walled courtyard with integrated fireplace and hardwood seating. This space defines modern minimalism and zero-fuss living. The entire courtyard is covered in smooth, light-colored pavers, providing an expansive, easy-to-sweep floor. The dramatic white walls create a private, gallery-like setting. The stunning floating wooden benches are built into the structure, offering clean lines and permanent, durable seating. Planting is kept strictly in a narrow, raised bed where a few formally pruned topiaries provide structure against the wall. The plants are contained and small in number, ensuring maintenance is kept to simple, occasional shaping. 14. Mid-century modern poolside oasis with flagstone and agaves. This sophisticated poolside area minimizes water and effort using xeriscaping principles. The ground cover is an irregular, beautiful flagstone patio, which is durable and requires no upkeep. Instead of thirsty lawn, the planting area features drought-tolerant succulents and agaves, which thrive in arid conditions and require almost no watering or pruning. The dark metal furniture and Corten steel elements perfectly complement the rustic, earthy tones of the stone and brick, creating a striking, high-style, and incredibly low-maintenance design. 15. Cozy fire pit lounge with maintenance-free gravel flooring. This is the ultimate in a cozy, functional, and low-maintenance entertaining zone. The large central area is covered entirely in gravel, a highly permeable and weed-suppressing ground cover that requires no watering or cutting, just occasional raking. The area is anchored by a Corten steel fire pit, surrounded by durable, curved wooden benches that define the social space. The planting around the border is naturalistic, featuring robust shrubs and ground cover that require little attention, allowing the focus to remain on relaxing by the fire. And there you have it, 10 phenomenal low-maintenance backyard garden ideas that prove you can truly have it all: beauty, function, and freedom from endless chores. Remember, a low-maintenance garden is all about thoughtful design and smart choices. By incorporating durable hardscaping, built-in features, and the right mix of contained and climate-appropriate plants, you can create a space that maximizes your enjoyment and minimizes your labor. It's time to put your feet up and enjoy your garden, not work in it. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? Are you going to swap out your lawn for sleek pavers or install that composite decking? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more easy gardening tips and beautiful home decor inspiration. We post new videos every week. Thanks for watching and happy low-maintenance gardening.